Hello. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are presenting you the 8 most easily available things that helps you to reduce and remove pimples.
Number 1 is steam. Steaming is wonderful for your skin at any time, but particularly when you have pimples. The steam will open your pores and allow your skin to breathe. This helps get rid of oils, dirt and bacteria trapped in the pores that can cause infection or inflammation. Fill a large container with hot water and allow the steam to come in contact with your face for a few minutes. Rinse your face with lukewarm water and, after drying, apply an oil-free moisturizer.
Number 2 is toothpaste. Toothpaste that you use every morning to clean your teeth also can be used to treat pimples quickly. It is most effective when used following the ice remedy. You must use white toothpaste, avoid using gel toothpaste. Apply some white toothpaste over the affected skin area before going to bed. In the morning, wash your face with water and you will see a significant improvement in the swelling. If you wish, you can repeat the process in the daytime also. Just make sure the toothpaste remains on the pimples for at least half an hour.
Next one is garlic. Garlic is an antiviral, antifungal, antiseptic and antioxidant agent that can help in the fast treatment of pimples. The sulfur in garlic also promotes quick healing of pimples. Cut a fresh garlic clove into 2 pieces. Rub the garlic on the pimples and leave it for 5 minutes before washing the skin with lukewarm water. Repeat the treatment several times a day. Eating 1 raw garlic clove daily can also help purify your blood. But do not eat too much raw garlic as it can upset the stomach.
Number 4 is honey. Honey is a source of natural antibiotics that can speed up the healing process, as well as help prevent infections. Dip a clean cotton swab in honey, put it directly on the affected area and leave it on for half an hour. Wash the skin well with lukewarm water. Do this a few times a day. Another option is to mix honey and cinnamon together to make a paste and applying it over the pimples before going to bed. In the morning, there will be less inflammation or swelling. Wash the skin well with cold water.
No. 5 is cucumber. Cucumber is a rich source of potassium and vitamins such as A, C and E. It also has a cooling and soothing effect on the skin. Cut 1 or 2 fresh cucumbers into pieces and soak them in water for about an hour. The nutrients, such as vitamin A, potassium and chlorophyll will transfer to the water. Strain the water and drink it, or use the water to wash your face. You can also make a face mask by grinding 1 cucumber. Apply the mask on your face and allow it to dry for 5 minutes. Wash your skin with warm water. This will help clean dirt and bacteria from your pores.
Papaya. Papaya fruit has a number of properties that help in the treatment of pimples. It is a good source of the antioxidant vitamin A, and it has enzymes that help reduce inflammation and make your skin soft and smooth. Crush raw papaya pieces to extract its juice and apply it over the pimples. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. To make a exfoliating face mask, mash some papaya pieces and add a little honey. Apply this paste on your face and massage gently. Leave it on until it dries completely and then rinse it off.
Number 7 is an ice. Ice can be used to quickly reduce the redness, swelling and inflammation of pimples. It helps in improving blood circulation to the affected area, and in tightening the skin pores and removing dirt and oil accumulated on the skin. You can use ice cubes or crushed ice, whichever is convenient.
Last one and the most important one is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is excellent for treating acne and pimples. It has antibacterial properties that help fight the bacteria that cause these skin problems. Plus, its soothing properties help reduce the redness and inflammation of pimples. It also helps dry out blackheads and whiteheads. Just dip a cotton ball in tea tree essential oil and dab it on the affected area. Rinse your face after 15 to 20 minutes. Another option is to mix a few drops of tea tree oil in 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Apply it on your pimples and blemishes, leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse it off. Note, steer clear of tea tree oil if you have sensitive skin.
Thank you for watching this presentation. For more videos subscribe our channel and like our videos.